Hey berries, so we're about to talk about the Madison Remedy collection, this all natural body butter, oil, and lip balm. Y'all, let's get into it. So I am fresh out the shower and I always start with the oil. So I'm going to use the Natural Drip Body Oil. It's made with sweet almond oil, camellia seed oil, hazelnut, vitamin E, coconut oil, vanilla, and dry calendula petals. When I first used this oil, I could not believe it was really soaking into my skin like this. Like, it melts into my skin. And the crazy thing is, it's not super oily, but it's super soft. Please excuse the scars on my lower thigh and knee. I just recovered from a rash and I just have the marks on there. But this oil definitely helps make the scars look a bit better. Next is a triple treat vanilla almond body butter. This is made with mango butter, shea butter, hemp seed oil, sesame oil, arrowroot powder, vanilla, and almond oil. I didn't think anything can be better than the oil, but I was wrong when I opened this body butter. It's like thick whipped cream. Yes, the whipped cream that we eat, because it's just like so soft when you spray it in your hands. Look how it melts in my hands. It is beautiful. This is handmade. It's no dyes. It's natural and it's black owned. Look how it shines and glides on my legs. And this moisture is gonna sink into your skin. It's gonna stay and keep your skin moisturized for hours. Now I'm doing the top half of my body. Usually I do the top half after I shower, but for the sake of this video, for whatever reason, I just start at the bottom. But yeah, doing the same step, using that oil first, then applying the body butter. It works magical. These two products just work so well together. Like, the shine is unreal, the moisture is unreal, but you don't feel oily. Have you ever had oils and after you put oil on and you put some clothes on and it like stains your clothes? This does not do that. It's going to soak in your body. You're going to have a subtle glow, or you can just, add as much as you want. But I had a subtle glow and I loved it. Now it's time to moisturize that face. I'm going to be using a skin purifying mask sheet. It's called the I'm Green and it's amazing. You're going to have great moisture after using this. After keeping that green tea sheet on for 25 minutes, I am now taking it off. And the moisture is so real. It's unreal, but it's real at the same time. I just kind of pat that in and the moisture stays tremendously. Now it's time to moisturize these lips. Of course, it's from the Madison Remedy and it's the Honey Lavender Lip Balm. This is made with shea butter, apricot kernel oil, beeswax, honey, lavender, vitamin E. And I have the peppermint honey lip balm. It's made with shea butter, apricot kernel oil, beeswax, honey, vitamin E, and peppermint essential oil. This is my absolute favorite. It is amazing. I love this lip balm. It gives you a shine. I put on like 3 layers, maybe 4 layers of this, and you don't get that crusty stuff when it dries up. No white residue around your mouth at all. I love the fact that this smells like peppermint because it kind of gives the illusion that your breath also smells like peppermint, because it's coming from your mouth area. And it gives you a beautiful shine, like I have gloss on, like lip gloss, but no, this is a balm. This is a lip balm with this gloss. Like, what? And that is how I moisturize my body in the wintertime, keeping that moisture in my skin using the Madison Remedy. Please, please, please get you some. You wouldn't believe how moisturized your skin will be. Each product is amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, you are the truest berry of the bunch, and I will see me in my next video. Peace.